Hey folks, here at OS Reviews. You're watching our video review of the iLuv SmartShaker. Now, if you're a sound sleeper like me, this is a gadget that you should probably check out. It retails only for $19.99 online at Amazon.com, which is pretty inexpensive and comes in a number of colors. It's a Bluetooth-enabled product that connects using a free application to your iOS smartphone or to your Android smartphone, and afterwards you can set a time, and once the alarm rings, the SmartShaker will start to vibrate, and then after you place this underneath your pillow, you should be able to wake up in the morning. Taking a look at the specifications, it seems like we have a speaker on board as well, so it's going to play a chime in addition to a vibration. You can set multiple alarms using the easy-to-use application that you need to download, and there's also a built-in rechargeable battery that you can use a micro USB to charge again. It takes about 2 hours to completely charge. On the back, you have some basic information about the unit, inclusive of how you can get the application. There's a QR code to learn more info, and that's basically it as far as presentation is concerned. In here, we have access to the aforementioned SmartShaker itself, and there is also access to the aforementioned micro USB cable. First, you have access to a user manual that documents things pretty nicely in multiple languages, tells you how to set things up and install the app, and here is the iLuv branded micro USB cable. It's pretty small and easy to take with you. The design of the iLuv SmartShaker. It's crafted out of a polycarbonate plastic that's quite lightweight, which is good because you can place it into a pillow without really noticing that it's there. It seems like it's pretty rugged as well, so it can withstand a bit of a beating before you're breaking down. And on the bottom, you have access to 3 rubber feet, which prevents the unit from sliding around when you place it on a surface or on a desk. On the sides, you have access to the snooze key that you can tap on once to turn the alarm off. There's also a power on-off switch. You can also use that to pair to the Bluetooth mode, a micro USB cable to charge the unit, and also a reset pin. And there's also the speaker grill at the application next. First, you need to turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone or tablet, and then pair it to the SmartShaker by pressing on the snooze key for a few seconds, and then the pairing process will commence. Afterwards, download the SmartShaker application, which is free in the App Store, and launch it up, and you'll find that you can be connected to the shaker in no time at all. You can also connect multiple pairs if you purchase 2 or 3, and then you can also set that up by pairing them in the menu system. Taking a look at the app, the actual UI is quite intuitive and easy to use. On the top right hand corner, you have access to the battery status of the SmartShaker. Right now we have it at 100%, which is good. You can set multiple alarms just by adding another alarm down below there and scroll through the different ones for maybe Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, and then you can tap on one to edit it pretty easily. On the bottom right-hand corner, you tap on the edit key. You can then change the time by sliding it up and down using the straw. It's pretty intuitive. You can also select if you want only vibration or only sound to occur. Tap on the power on-off switch to turn the alarm on and off, but first you press done, and then your alarm has been set. I can turn it on, turn it off, and it's pretty intuitive and automatically syncs itself up. The app, in terms of the background, also automatically syncs according to the time and date. So right now we're shooting this at night at 10:30, so you can see how we have a background that shows a lot of stars in the rear rather than a bright daylight. Pressing on the settings key on the top there allows you to change the name of your SmartShaker. You can also have a weather application running in the background that tells you the temperature in your surroundings. There's a brief online instruction that you can use, and you can also try the alarm just by tapping it. And you can see it's now ringing. It's actually quite loud. Again, you can change the loudness as well, but the vibration sensor does a pretty good job and actually shakes vigorously as well, so I'm gonna press stop there. If you have it beneath your pillow, you're definitely going to notice it's present. Our test, it woke us up 5 out of 5 times, so it's highly effective because of that siren and vibration sensor. Now, with this being said, it's a jolt in terms of the waking process as opposed to a peaceful, calm wake up compared to some wake up lights by Philips. So if you're more used to something more subtle, this might not be the best alarm for you. Note, the connection range of Bluetooth 4.0 is rated at 10 meters or so. That's quite accurate, so I would set the phone or tablet nearby onto a desk surface to retain the connection. But afterwards, you can also turn your phone or tablet off, and the alarm will still ring in the morning or at night, depending on the time that you set. It's pretty accurate. We didn't have any issues with synchronization either, depending on your manufacturer and the product that you use. Battery life is also quite strong. We had to recharge it every week or so, and again, charging only takes 2 hours to complete, which is relatively fast. At the end of the day, the iLuv SmartShaker is a very innovative product. We think it's a great way for you to wake up in the morning if you have trouble doing so. It's lightweight, it's easy to use, battery life is great, and the ability for you to customize the loudness of the siren and the tone of the siren is a nice plus. To learn more information about this unit, be sure to read our full written review. This has been our video. Thank you for watching here at OS Reviews. This has been the iLuv SmartShaker.